This is a video tutorial from IT for Medics. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to protect sheets in your spreadsheet. So I'll talk about how to protect the whole sheet, and then I'll also talk about how to protect certain cells in a sheet. Okay, so here we have a table in a sheet in Excel, and I want to protect it so that no one else can edit it. So all I need to do is I go down to the tab down here and I right click and I click protect sheet, and then here I have to put a password, so I'm just going to put 1234 and then I'm going to put it in again because you have to re-enter the password, and don't forget the password because you won't be able to open it again. So now the whole sheet is protected. So if I try and delete a cell, I get a warning, or if I try and enter a value, I get another warning. And so this is really good if you need to send something to someone for information, and they can even copy information from it and paste it into another sheet. So they can use the data, but they can't edit it in the original file. So then if I want to unprotect the sheet, I just right click again on the tab and I go to unprotect sheet, and I put in my password, and now it's unprotected. So now I can edit it at will. So the other thing you can do is you can protect certain cells in the sheet, but this is a little bit more long-winded, so I'll talk you through the process now. So firstly we need to highlight the whole table. So if I click this icon in the top left here, this arrow here, it highlights the whole table. Then I right click and I go to format cells, and then there's a number of tabs here, but I go to protection, and you'll see that the default option for all the cells is locked. And this means that when you protect the sheet, it locks all of the cells in the sheet. So what I need to do is unlock all the cells and click OK. Now this hasn't changed anything yet. So what I need to do is let's say I wanted to keep the column headers locked, but I was happy for everyone to edit this data here. So I highlight the column headers, and then I right click and I go back to the format cells again, and then I go to the protection tab here and I click locked. What this does is it means that when I protect the sheet, it's only going to lock these cells. So if I go right click down here again, go to protect sheet, and then I put in my password, and then it again, because you can reset a new password each time, but I'm just using the same one as before. Now it's protected the sheet, but I can edit all these cells, but I can't change the column header. Now again, to unlock it, I go right click down here, I click unprotect sheet, and I type in my password, and it's now unprotected again. So to summarise, in this video I showed you how to protect the sheet, and just remember, don't forget the password. I also showed you how to protect certain cells in a sheet, which I hope would be really useful if you were sharing a file with lots of people and you didn't want areas in the sheet to be edited. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.